Hello guys, so we lost again today. But let's move on to our feature game for today: San Antonio Spurs versus the Orlando Magic. So let's go. So here are our December record. It's 0-2. Sorry, so it's 0-2. So December first few bets on December loss, but it's all right. We can recover. So Spurs versus Magic. Spurs 14 wins, 6 loss, fourth on the West, while the Magic has 14 wins, 7 loss, fourth in the East. The game will happen Wednesday, December 3, 2025, 7 p.m. Eastern Time, which is December 4, 2025 at 8 a.m. in Manila. So we're Kia Center, Orlando, Florida. So the home court advantage will go to the Orlando Magic. So let's continue. So the spread: Spurs plus 7.5, Magic minus 7.5, over and under 232.5. So before we go to our pick, so please like and share our video. Please hit the notification bell if you are enjoying my video or getting some wins. That's all guys, so let's go. Our final pick is the Spurs plus 7.5. Why? So let's go the factors to consider why I choose the Spurs plus 7.5. So first is the health and availabilities and injuries. So for the Spurs, Victor Wembanyama out, Jordan McLaughlin out, Stefan Cassell out. So and for the Magic, Mortis Wagner and Paulo Banchero out. So I think the out both teams have their starters. So Moritz and Paulo Banchero is a starter of Magic, especially Paulo Banchero. He's number one or number two player of the Orlando Magic. But with the Spurs, Victor Wembanyama out and Stefan Cassell, both of them are both starters caliber players. So I give the health and availabilities and injuries edge in with the Magic. So let's move on. So fatigue. Spurs is going to a back-to-back after their game with the Memphis. So here are their last five schedules. So as you can see, Spurs. So Spurs will go back-to-back. So it's the date here in the Philippines. So 12/3/2025. So tomorrow is 12/4/2025 here in the Philippines. So they're going to back-to-back. That's why I think and the game with between the Memphis is very physical. That's why I think the plus minus is very high. The spread is very high with 7.5. It's too expensive. That is why I give it to the Spurs, because the odds is too expensive. For the Magic, it's 7.5. So as for the momentum, the San Antonio Spurs have in fine form as they've won 6 of their last 8 games overall, and they will be eager to keep it going after taking down the Grizzlies in 126-119 home win last night. So that's it for the San Antonio Spurs, while the Orlando Magic have been in great form as they've won 9 of their last 11 games overall, and they will be gunning for a fourth straight victories. So their last game is Bulls 125 120 home win on Monday. So as you can see, both of them are in good momentum right now. Both of win coming off the win, but I think the Magic have the more momentum coming into this game because of their 3-game winning streak. And lastly, matchup. So the matchup is last February 8. Last matchup is last February 8, 111, 112, and April 1, 2025. So that's last season. So it's the first time they will meet this season, and I think the Spurs that season is not that good in shape. And I think for me 7.5, even though I also give the Magic the edge in this game because of the back-to-back and some momentum and the injuries, but still 7.5 is very tough to cover, especially today that Spurs is getting better every day. And the fatigue factor, I think it's not really a factor anymore because their core is young, and I think they can recover overnight. with the game, with this game. They can rest overnight and recover at and play at 100%. So that's all guys, thank you for watching. So if you are enjoying this video, please comment down below what's your thoughts and opinion, and stay humble and safe. We can win this December, so just tune in. Two loss in a row, but still we're still early in this in December, so we can still recover that. So just tune in here. So let's go. Peace out.